Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into clock. Now select alarm over here if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Following that, you need to set up an hour and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. After that, click on those switchers next to snooze, alarm tone and volume, and read time out loud to enable or disable those features. Now click on alarm name and label your alarm however you wish to. Then save it by tapping on OK in the pop-up. Now you need to choose snooze, pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. After that, click on alarm tone and volume, and now you can click on the switcher next to you can click on the switcher next to gradually increase volume to enable or disable this feature, and change volume of your alarm by swiping left or right on the slider over here. If you wish to change your alarm sound, you can do that by clicking on one of those and going back, but you can also scroll all the way down, tap on Add from tablet, pick music from one of those sources like sound, choosing allow, and tapping on one of your songs on the device. Then go back and go back again after clicking on the added song. It was Over the Horizon, so I have to find it here now. Click on it and go back. To save your alarm, choose save over here, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, you can do that by holding it, choosing delete at the top right corner, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!